Yes, it's closed. Because it's closed there is 10
Origami, where's
o'clock.
the origami?
Until 10 o'clock only the origami.
The night market sa
Ay, oh, wala na pa dito, oh.
16 minutes, the same. The same.
You're there.
Ayan.
Las
Ay, naku, di view.
McDonald's!
Nani?
McDonald's has the
Kakao na ta sa burrito ka.
Ice cream. Oh, they want milkshake, the one we got from from Birdies.
Oh. The Turian ice cream.
Yeah.
Oh, we can get the sundae. Like that's
What's Sunday?
7.
What's
No,
Sunday?
no, today is
They put
Friday.
like Oreo
Oh,
or something.
Dahil.
ano na ito mo?
Ano ang kwan? Yung burrito? Burrito ka. Burrito ka. Burrito ka. Kaya nung mga dako rugby.
Dairy Queen? Yeah, we can go Dairy Queen. The drive-thru of Dairy Queen.
I'm just joking lang.
Because my mom did not see Birdies yet.
So do you want to go Birdies? Birdies in Westwalk.
Hindi mo dahil yung view sa imo yun.
Yeah. So they can
Hindi
see.
ka mabilan, he was here.
Eh? Diri ko.
It's better there because
You know,
Amo man na nga view na
go
kita.
to the farm.
another
You
side.
can bring your sibling.
Sino sa likod tingin niya? Ikaw ako.
No.
How far?
So that's why.
Those is
Oo, iisipin mo kung pagbaliktad kung din man Japon nga view. Oo. Kung dira ko, dira man Japon ang view. Kaya na mabawi na ko diri sa ang view sa imo. Namo na ko din.
sundae.
Hindi kaya ting kalako tayo kalakat tayo
Uzi
ting.
Qatar.
Nararing galingin ulo mo maglakad kaya. Oh, ting.
No. We danced with that one before. We went to the second.
Hindi kaya ano kung kasama mga copywriter.
Is there? There? Here. Here. Can we go here? Uzi. Yeah. 7 minutes.
Ay sakto ang iyang dala.
Kalay ko bukan paper bag.
Pero sakto.
Ah.
Even the Google is closed now already. Only open is Temu.
Yeah.
Just open it with the Apple Maps. Yes, definitely.
So that's why my expertise is
Yes.
Sonoma magical. I'm not
Inside milk is Carabao's milk. They using the Carabao's milk of Dairy Queen.
We went there in that hall.
That's the Oasis?
Yeah.
Yeah, the Oasis one.
Oasis, no?
No, they're going home na. Anong oras? Di pa ka mo tinakad to?
my ice cream.
Sus. a lot of water because you eating ice cream going to your stomach, only coming water only.
But this one is not. No?
This is decent. But it's center.
But because the neighboring.
It's too congested. But people go there. But it's expensive.
I'm the one that goes to the hamburger.
Unfortunately, it's exactly no traffic. As you can see, because it's already like nobody.
Nobody but you. Nobody but you.
Might be wrong.
Nobody
I hope I'm not wrong.
but you.
That was a weird shot.
The hamburger.
Japanese.
The hamburger.
Where is DQ?
What is that?
This is the center.
No, the Arabic one.
Dairy Queen, DQ.
That is the center. What's it called?
DQ didn't branch out.
They're just chilling here. They've been here since years.
Dodo Pizza.
Like 20 years? At least. Excuse me again, I'm going to reverse on. Then we both are gonna have problem.
Pato Jam.
People even interesting. People dining. Entry. Center.
Kung mayroon kang abutin mo na una-una ko rin nga po na nga building oh, nagyan ka permi niya. Tanda mushroom.
Zoe.
Papa John's here also.
Ay, same owner, Papa John's kang dito nga to sa unang call center kagtang Papa John's. Ringin isa na lang nila sa na Papa John's.
DQ.
Debut.
But you call it debut, no? Debut? There we go.
Kulang isa.
Of course.
Sarap no?
As
You
you can
like-
see.
You don't like banana, right?
Oh, I love banana.
Yeah, but on smoothie only, right?
No.
Because this one's banana, huh?
Yeah, I like banana.
But you said you don't eat banana, the one ano. Huh?
No, I do. Very good. Excellent.
So like my mom.
10 out of 10.
My mom likes this also.
Absolute sin.
Yeah.
What?
Very good. Number 1.
Yun nga yan ay.
Yeah.
The best na.
Oh,
You get your the spoon. You want? You try that
your
one.
spoon. Yeah, I know.
This is a sugar rush.
Where is now my Sunday?
Mm.
Where is my Sunday?
Lion stole it.
He take all.
Wait, because I don't want to sit down. Wala nga.
I'll hold it.
Penalty
eat ice cream again there?
Aspire is closer to Korea. Another 20 minutes. So good.
I order Sunday but I have no Sunday. Look at the two ladies eating this. No need. Next time I order the day Sunday. Not in Friday because I cannot eat Friday.
I still didn't get to try Shake Shack. How expensive is Shake Shack, by the way?
Kaya sakit yan. Tutun lang ko sang lamig tintinang to dating.
Burger is 40 bucks. And their milkshake is good.
All food is good. Kabot yun sa balay makaong ko bro rito. Hindi ko.
Ang blue dito?
Ayan o, baong ko. Ang take away.
One. Enough guys.
Hindi namin magdoon eh.
Of course this one.
May special number 1 ang dairy cream sa ice cream.
Krispy Kreme?
This one.
DQ ice cream is number 1.
Tapos na nila ko.
But if you want sweet and expensive, Baskin Robbins.
Oh, yeah.
But not too much sweet.
Good.
Not good, too much sweet.
Yes.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah, too expensive also.
Häagen-Dazs sarap.
But
Yes,
that
so-
is not good. It's very sweet.
Häagen-Dazs and Cold Stone better than
Yeah. The two.
Baskin Robbins ang kanyang ice cream. At siya ay nagbabali pagdating ng dilim.
Hey, not go out on the park.
You wanted to go to the park?
No, the parking lot.
Should I? You can just drop you guys here. Or if you want, I will drop you. That way it's more discreet. You guys can just directly go on.
Si Jinte